Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're doing electrical work, then you want to be extremely confident in the connections that you're making. And I want to show you these ring terminal connectors from Wirefy that allow us to be really sure that we have a super strong connection. So after stripping your wire and placing the ring terminal on the end, you are going to go ahead and crimp the wires and the ring terminal together, and then you are ready to heat shrink it. So it's very simple to do and it actually works really quickly. You will heat shrink until that shrinks down and it gives you a really nice secure fit over your wire. Now this has an adhesive that is built in and is heat activated, and that helps to make this a waterproof and dustproof connection. So this set comes with 130 pieces of the ring terminals, and this works with a 1/4-inch screw, and these will fit a wire from 16 to 14 gauge. So they do come in several other options that you can choose from to make it work for whatever project that you have going on. So we've been really happy with these Wirefy connectors with several projects that we've done. They are easy to use and we really feel confident in the connections that they're making and would definitely recommend them. And that is my point of view.